And we're back several weeks later. It's been full 6 weeks since we made our eggnog, and now we're ready to taste it. And you can drink this as is. It's about 20 proof, so it's going to be a little bit strong. That's why I recommend a floater. We have here homemade vanilla. If you're wondering where you can get homemade, it's at the fresh market. You want to take a couple little chunks of it, just throw it at the bottom. That way you're not trying to add it after you've already put the liquid in. It gets real messy. I can't say this is the first time I've tasted this, as half the vat of eggnog is gone. But I can tell you that the key is let the scoop of ice cream just kind of slowly melt in there. Most people don't realize that the reason they don't like eggnog is because it's filled with artificial flavors to taste like rum and whiskey and all the alcohol that's not in it. So this is actual eggnog as it's supposed to taste, and it's delightful. I was pretty surprised to learn that eggnog was around when George Washington was president of the United States. In fact, there was an eggnog riot at West Point almost 99 years ago today. Cadets at West Point smuggled in gallons of whiskey, brandy, and rum to make a giant amount of eggnog on Christmas Eve, 1826. That amount of alcohol led to the cadets knocking out one of the officers and breaking windows and furniture, leading to the court-martialing of 19 of the cadets. It was a good time, though. Now, do you think that those cadets could just run down to the local grocery store and pick up some store-bought eggnog and mix their booze into it? No, of course not. They had to bust out the whisk, and they had to start churning some egg yolks. Don't stress too much about what kind of ice cream is in it. I will authorize the Bluebell homemade vanilla as well. I'm not so sure we landed on the moon. 6.5 grams of protein. Yeah. There's a Dwight D. Eisenhower eggnog version as well, but I don't think it's quite as good. Doesn't have nearly as many types of alcohol. I think it's just straight up bourbon and cream.